Morning students, I am here with you to explain the chapter Microorganisms, Friend and Foe. But before starting the topic, I want to say about your syllabus. According to your syllabus, in the month of April, we have 3 chapters: force and pressure, pollution of air and water, microorganisms, friend and foe. Already I have given all the contents including exercise, question answer through PPT. After that, through our video, one by one, I would try to explain all the topic. So listen carefully, and if you have any queries, you write in comment box. So let's start our topic: microorganisms, friend and foe. At first, you try to understand the word micro, which means very small or too small. So microorganisms are very small organisms which cannot be seen with our naked eye. They can be seen with the help of microscope. They can be present anywhere or everywhere in our surrounding or environment. They are present in air, water or soil. They are also present in hot spring or cold regions or polar ice caps. Microorganisms may be unicellular or multicellular. Unicellular means a single celled organism, and multicellular means more than one cell. So microorganism is single celled organism or more than one cell organism. Just for example, amoeba is unicellular organism and bread mold is a multicellular organism. These microorganisms may be exist alone or in colonies. So in colonies means in a group. So they may be exist alone or in group. There are 4 major group of microorganisms. They are bacteria, fungi, algae and protozoa. Viruses are also considered as microorganisms. They are different from other microorganisms because they reproduce only in the body of host. Means they reproduce on the other plants or animals or any bacteria. Some common diseases like common cold, flu are caused by viruses. Some serious diseases like polio and chickenpox are also caused by viruses. These days, COVID-19 is spreading in the whole world is caused by coronavirus. I have also given you the example of microorganisms through figure. You observe the figure, see the figure, and you draw the diagram of these microorganisms in your notebook and learn their name. Then I have given some questions related to topic, so you try to do in your copy. I will come in my next video to discuss part 2 of microorganisms, friend and foe.